So now we're going to learn how to make the best tasting Americano. What an Americano is basically espresso with some hot water into it. So it's pretty much like a brewed coffee, except it has way more flavor and it's way fresher tasting. So the first thing we want to do is pull our espresso shot. Now I'm going to add some sugar actually to the cup, because I like my Americano with sugar. And then I'm going to pull my shot. So I'm going to pour the shot right into the cup so that we don't omit any of the crema, so we get all the good stuff. And I'm making a double Americano. If it was a single, I would probably just serve it in a cappuccino, small cappuccino mug. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add some hot water to my Americano, or to the espresso shot. And I'm actually only going to fill it up 3/4 of the way, because otherwise if I put too much water, it's going to taste diluted. Now if your customer wants to add any cream or milk, they also have some room to put it in here. And there you go. And that's the best tasting Americano.